Beets, often considered a humble root vegetable, have a rich history and a variety of uses that make them both nutritious and versatile. Originating in the Mediterranean region, they were initially cultivated for their leaves and used as a leafy green vegetable. It wasn't until later that the root, now familiar to many, was embraced for its culinary and medicinal properties. Beets belong to the same family as spinach and chard, but it's the root of the beet plant that has captured the attention of chefs, nutritionists, and health enthusiasts alike. Their deep red color, earthy flavor, and natural sweetness make them stand out in both savory and sweet dishes. In many cultures, beets are more than just food. They are a symbol of health and vitality. The nutritional profile of beets is nothing short of impressive. They are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients like fiber, folate, manganese, and vitamin C. Beets are especially known for their high content of nitrates, which have been shown to enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure. The vibrant red color of the root comes from betalains, which are antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. These nutrients make beets a powerful ally in promoting cardiovascular health, improving digestion, and supporting liver function. Beets are also high in potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. Due to these health benefits, beets are often recommended as a staple in a balanced diet. One of the most fascinating aspects of beets is their versatility in the kitchen. From soups and salads to juices and desserts, beets can be prepared in countless ways to suit any palate. In many parts of Eastern Europe, borscht, a beet-based soup, is a traditional dish that combines the root vegetable with ingredients like cabbage, potatoes, and sour cream. Roasted beets, with their natural sweetness, make an excellent addition to salads, often paired with goat cheese, nuts, and a balsamic reduction. Beet greens, often overlooked, are just as nutritious and can be sautéed or added to soups and stir-fries. Beetroot juice has become popular as a health tonic, believed to improve stamina and endurance due to its nitrate content. For those with a sweet tooth, beets can also be incorporated into cakes, muffins, and even brownies, adding moisture and a subtle earthiness to baked goods. Growing beets is relatively simple, as they thrive in cooler climates and well-drained soil. The beetroot plant is hardy and can tolerate a variety of growing conditions, making it an ideal crop for gardeners and farmers alike. When planting beets, it's important to sow the seeds in early spring or late summer, depending on the climate. Beets grow best in soil that's rich in organic matter and has a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. To ensure healthy growth, it's essential to thin the seedlings once they sprout, giving each plant enough space to develop its root. Harvesting beets typically occurs about 2 to 3 months after planting, when the roots are about the size of a golf ball or larger. For gardeners looking to maximize their harvest, successive planting can ensure a steady supply of beets throughout the growing season. Despite their many benefits, beets are not without their challenges. One of the most common issues gardeners face is beetroot blight, a fungal disease that affects the leaves and can cause stunted growth. Proper spacing, good air circulation, and crop rotation are essential for preventing this issue. Additionally, while beets are relatively easy to grow, they do require consistent watering, especially during dry spells. The leaves, while edible, can be prone to pests like aphids and beetles, which can damage the plants if not managed properly. The strong, earthy flavor of beets is not universally loved, and some individuals may find the taste too intense or even unpleasant. However, when prepared correctly and combined with complementary flavors, beets can win over even the most skeptical of eaters, offering a truly unique and nourishing experience. The end result of consuming beets, whether raw, roasted, or juiced, is a significant contribution to overall health and well-being. The natural sugars in beets provide a quick energy boost, while their high fiber content promotes digestive health, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Their antioxidant properties help protect cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. As an incredibly versatile ingredient, beets can be transformed into a variety of dishes, from vibrant salads to heartwarming soups and even indulgent desserts. This adaptability has made them a staple in kitchens worldwide, and their health benefits continue to be appreciated in both culinary and medical circles. One of the unique benefits of beets is their ability to aid in detoxification, particularly in supporting liver health. The betalains found in beets have been shown to enhance the liver's ability to filter toxins from the bloodstream, making it a popular ingredient in detox diets. Beets also support the body's natural cleansing process by improving bowel movements and enhancing kidney function. Their high fiber content helps to remove waste from the digestive system, while the nutrients in beetroot promote optimal liver function. This detoxifying effect is one of the reasons why beets are often recommended in health-conscious diets and cleansing routines. The ease of incorporating beets into daily meals is another reason why they have gained popularity. Not only can they be added to savory dishes like salads and soups, but they can also be used to enhance beverages like smoothies and juices. Beetroot juice, when consumed regularly, has been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure due to its high nitrate content. Additionally, the natural sweetness of beets makes them an excellent ingredient in healthy desserts, such as beet chocolate cake or beet brownies, where they can replace some of the fat or sugar while still offering a rich, moist texture. With such a wide range of uses, beets are a convenient and nutritious way to boost the health of any meal. Growing beets is a satisfying and rewarding experience for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Beets can be grown in small spaces, such as raised beds or containers, making them ideal for urban gardeners or those with limited yard space. They prefer cooler temperatures and can be grown in both spring and fall, depending on the climate. Beets also grow quickly, with the roots maturing in about 60 to 90 days, making them a great option for gardeners looking for fast-growing vegetables. Regular watering and soil that is rich in organic matter are key to growing healthy, vibrant beets. Once harvested, beets can be stored for weeks in a cool, dark place, ensuring a steady supply of fresh vegetables throughout the season. However, beets are not without their challenges in the garden. Like many root vegetables, they can be prone to soil compaction, which hinders their growth. Ensuring the soil is loose and well drained is essential for the development of large, healthy roots. Pests such as aphids and leaf miners can also affect the plants, damaging the leaves and hindering their growth. Organic gardening methods, such as using natural pest control or companion planting, can help mitigate these problems. Additionally, beets require consistent care and attention, especially in areas with fluctuating temperatures or irregular rainfall. While growing beets may require some extra effort, the rewards of homegrown, nutritious vegetables make it worthwhile. Beets are a unique and vibrant root vegetable that offer a range of culinary and health benefits. Known for their rich red color and earthy flavor, beets are often celebrated for their versatility in the kitchen. From fresh salads to savory stews, beetroot can be prepared in countless ways. Not only are beets a delight to the taste buds, but they also provide essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, beets are particularly praised for their ability to improve cardiovascular health, detoxify the body, and enhance athletic performance. Whether you're roasting, boiling, or juicing them, beets make an excellent, nutrient-dense food. Beets are rich in a variety of nutrients that are beneficial to overall health. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy bowel movements. Beets also contain significant amounts of folate, a vitamin that is essential for DNA synthesis and cell growth, making it particularly important for pregnant women. The betalains in beets, which give them their deep red color, are powerful antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Additionally, beets are a good source of manganese, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which contribute to a healthy immune system, bone strength, and fluid balance. Their high nitrate content also makes them ideal for improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure, which is why they are often recommended for those with heart health concerns. One of the standout qualities of beets is their incredible versatility in cooking. They can be enjoyed raw, roasted, boiled, or pickled, each preparation bringing out different flavors and textures. When roasted, beets develop a natural sweetness that pairs beautifully with tangy goat cheese and crunchy nuts in salads. Their earthy flavor is also a perfect complement to other root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, making them a hearty addition to soups and stews. In addition to savory dishes, beets can be used in desserts, offering a surprising depth of flavor in cakes, brownies, and even ice cream. Beet juice is a popular health drink that is not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients, including nitrates that may boost endurance for athletes and promote improved blood circulation. Growing beets at home is relatively simple and rewarding, making them an ideal crop for gardeners of all skill levels. Beets thrive in cooler climates and are best planted in well-drained, loamy soil that is rich in organic matter. The seeds should be sown in early spring or late summer, depending on the growing season. Once planted, beets require regular watering to keep the soil moist but not soggy, as they prefer consistent moisture to ensure healthy root growth. One of the most important steps in growing beets is thinning the seedlings, allowing the remaining plants to grow large and healthy. Beets are a quick-growing vegetable, usually taking about 60 to 90 days to reach full maturity, making them a great option for gardeners looking for a fast return on their efforts. The greens of the beet plant are also edible and can be sautéed or added to soups, offering an additional harvest for those who want to make full use of the plant. While growing beets can be relatively straightforward, there are a few challenges gardeners may encounter. Beets can be susceptible to pests like aphids, flea beetles, and root maggots, which can damage both the roots and leaves of the plant. To mitigate these issues, gardeners can use organic pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects or using natural sprays. Soil quality is also crucial for beet growth. Compacted or poorly drained soil can stunt the development of the roots, leading to smaller or misshapen beets. To improve soil structure, gardeners can amend the soil with compost or organic matter. Additionally, it's essential to keep an eye on the weather, as extreme heat or drought can cause the plants to bolt, affecting both the roots and the leaves. With a little attention to detail and care, however, beets can be a successful and rewarding crop to grow.